In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this Samsung. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view. I will go with Play Store. Now you need to access background apps. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. Following that, click on the icon of your app and choose Open in Split Screen View. Now just tap on the other one, and as you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to switch places of your apps, click on those 3 dots in the middle of them and tap on this icon with 2 arrows. In order to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!